Are you ready to explore the next big thing in AI? A new AI model is making waves in the tech world, challenging giants like OpenAI and Google. Meet DeepSeek, a powerful, cost-effective AI assistant that's redefining artificial intelligence. But there's more to the story. Stay tuned. DeepSeek is an advanced AI platform developed in China that has gained massive popularity in a short time. Its latest large language model, DeepSeek R1, delivers high-quality performance similar to models from OpenAI and Google, but at a fraction of the cost. Key features of DeepSeek: affordable and efficient, developed with just $6 million, compared to over $100 million for similar models. Advanced AI chat interface, seamless user experience with powerful text generation and reasoning capabilities. Multiple applications, assist with coding, content creation, research, and file analysis. Within just a week of its launch, DeepSeek became the #1 most downloaded free app on the US Apple App Store, surpassing even ChatGPT. Why people are choosing DeepSeek: user-friendly interface, simple and easy-to-use chat model. High-performance AI excels in advanced reasoning and problem-solving. Low cost and accessibility, delivers AI capabilities without breaking the bank. But DeepSeek isn't without its challenges. One of its biggest drawbacks? Self-censorship, major limitation. DeepSeek avoids politically sensitive topics related to China's government, Taiwan, and Tiananmen Square. If you try to ask about these, the AI either refuses to respond or redirects the conversation. This raises an important debate. Can we fully rely on AI models with content restrictions? Let us know what you think in the comments. DeepSeek proves that AI innovation isn't limited to just big tech companies. With its cost efficiency and rapid growth, it's becoming a strong competitor in the AI space. However, its censorship policies might make some users think twice. Now we will compare ChatGPT versus DeepSeek. 1. DeepSeek ***. Developed by a Chinese startup, DeepSeek has rapidly gained attention for its advanced AI model, R1, which rivals leading models from OpenAI and Google. Key features: 1. Cost-effective development ***. 2. Achieve comparable performance to top models at a fraction of the development cost. 3. Open source model ***. Allows developers worldwide to modify and build upon its technology. 2. ChatGPT ***. Developed by OpenAI. ChatGPT is a versatile language model designed for a wide range of applications, including customer service, content creation, and personal assistance. Key features ***. 1. Advanced conversational capabilities ***. 2. Generates human-like text based on user input. 3. Integration options ***. Available through various platforms, including web and mobile applications. Limitations: subscription model. Offers both free and premium tiers, with advanced features accessible through a subscription. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more AI updates. See you in the next video.